Collard Greens TV garden section. We're here today with an update video on the broccoli and the cabbage and the tomato grow. As you see, all of them have sprouted, the broccoli and the cabbage. I have thinned all of these, but I have saved this one to kind of go through the process. Tomatoes here, that is the grape tomato that has come up, the Roman tomato that's not quite come up. You can see down in there, those are the big boy tomatoes. They are starting to come up. But as you see, all of the broccoli and the cabbage has come up, and they all have been thinned out to one plant per cup. You don't want to try to grow more than one broccoli, one cabbage per hole. It just really doesn't work. So one broccoli, one cabbage per cup. Again, here's the one that we kept. You want to try to find the one that is the better looking one. I've kind of located that one, which is this one here to the left of my finger. So what you really want to do is what I do is, I just, once I locate it, I just take these ones and I just pull them and I just throw them away. I pack the dirt back down around it, but what I do is I push everything down, trying not to disturb the plant itself. It's so young, you don't want to, kill it, because it's kind of stretched itself out trying to reach the light. So then I just kind of take some dirt. I got this dirt prepared because, again, it's just me, the camera. So I kind of take more dirt and I add more dirt around and then I just kind of pack the dirt back down around the plant. Now sometimes you may have to pack it down again because you kind of want to I like to get rid of the actual stretching. As you see, they'll continue to try to stretch, especially inside, no matter if you're growing them, in a windowsill or under the light as I am. They're going to try to stretch themselves looking for the light. So I'll have to do this a couple of times before I actually take them outside. Now, I won't add any water. The reason I won't is because I just watered these, and the moisture will, get that new dirt wet. So I won't water it again. So, there you go as far as thinning. It's very simple. Just want to, find the best plant of the ones that you have here, and you want to try to pull the rest and then pack back down the plant and then try to put more dirt around it. Something I didn't talk about on the previous video, kind of an update too. I talked about the lights, but what I didn't talk about was those are just two 26 watt CFL lights. That's all they are. It's a heavy duty extension cord, as you see I have running, and then it just connects there. But like I said, it's nothing real hard. It's really basic. I only use it for the first 6 weeks to get my plants to grow. After the first 6 weeks, I will have these outside just to harden off in a sheltered area. So like on my back porch or something like that, I'll have them sitting out so they kind of get used to wind and whatnot. Because they are inside, they're kind of like baby plants, baby. So, again, this is an update. This is week 2. Again, week 2 of the cabbage and the broccoli and the tomato grow. As you see, everything pretty much has sprouted except the Roman tomato there. Everything's been thinned out. So again, this is week 3. I will be back again next week to show you the progress, show you what they've done, and as we get them ready to go outside to harden off and get ready to plant. But again, it's Collard Greens TV. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below, leave a comment, let us know what you think. But yeah, Collard Greens TV, holla at us. Yay, yay. a couple people had asked me about the the lights and the amount of time that I actually keep the lights on the plants. When I first put them in here, before they actually sprout, I leave the lights on for 24/7. I leave them on all day, all night until they sprout, until I thin them. Once I thin the plants out, then I change the lights to 18 hours on, 6 hours off. So usually I turn them off at midnight, and then I turn them back on at 6 a.m. For some of you guys that may be like, man, how you do that? They make a timer. I just happen to not use mine because I'm up, so I just turn them on and off. But you can get a timer. This just plugs in, and then your extension cord or whatever plugs into that, and then you can set it for whatever time you want it to come on, go off, or whatnot. But that's pretty much how I do that. So 24/7 before they sprout. After they sprout, 18 hours on, 6 hours off. Again, Collard Greens TV. Yeah, yeah.